They are right. When you put the camera in your face, you have no idea what to do. This is my bike. It's a custom, and it's soaking wet. And in Will's garage.
Yep.
It's a Mongoose Chamber 2006, I think, frame with just various stickers on the magazine.
Ride BMX. BMX mag.
Exposure tyres.
Odyssey.
Tan wall. Custom paint job on the rims.
Yeah, we did that.
I don't know, some shitty pegs. Original forks.
They're salt, aren't they?
No.
Pegs.
They're fake salts.
Yeah.
How can you fake like a salt?
Yeah.
Original custom
Painted
original painted mongoose stem.
I think they still have the paint up here actually.
I'll just chop.
Yeah, it's the screen that we used.
You had one as well, didn't you? It didn't go very well.
I did have one, but it went terrible. Anyway.
Exposure pry, bars. Cheap, they're good, they don't break. Unlike most of my bike. Got
Shadow Conspiracy.
Shadow Conspiracy grips. They're tiny.
We're mine,
bars
yeah,
are massive.
very small.
I've got a exposure, I think 6 now, vocal headset, which is warped and shit. Original Mongoose crank arms, just sprayed gold.
Yeah, bias.
Stolen
again.
25 tooth. Not literally stolen, but my mum said. Original Mongoose, on the ones that came with really, they're nice. Go quickly. Not at the moment, they're not, because they're not done up.
Falling off.
Exposure half link. We've done to the back. Got another exposure part because it's cheap and it's shit.
Oh god.
Hub guard, yeah. And then rear tyres are so much. Then I got my clap pivotal.
Suede.
It's just a clap. Well, no, it's soaking now, so it's not suede.
Yeah, it's not the suede at the moment.
Oh, and that's my check.